iOS 18, how to rotate pictures on iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily rotate a picture on your iPhone 15 Pro Max running iOS 18. It's super simple and quick, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Here, locate the picture you want to rotate. Tap on the photo to open it in full view. Look for the Edit button. The equalizer icon in the bottom menu, tap it. In the editing menu, you'll see various tools at the bottom. Tap on the crop and rotate icon. It looks like a square with arrows around it. To rotate the image, tap the rotate button, which is the small square with a curved arrow at the top left corner. Each tap rotates the picture by 90 degrees. If you want more precision, you can also drag the rotation wheel below the image to adjust the angle. Once you're happy with the rotation, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. Rotating a picture on your iPhone 15 Pro Max with iOS 18 is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.